Part 3.
Ayaw ba yun? Ayaw ba yun?
Oh,
Yun.
did I just eat a lot? I'm a big gut fatty.
Nakakalak.
You know I love food.
Oh!
Oh, how do I even open this door? Oh, tas walang laman.
I remember
Create
the
going.
times I remember the times we spent on those travels right. We had a million questions all about our lives. Sing mo kay Tono. We got to New York, everything felt right. I wish you were here with me
Tonight.
tonight.
Daddy, ayaw. Ayaw mabuksan. Lamig. Ito din.
Ito sa camera.
Tonight I'm falling and I can't get up. I need your loving hands to come and pick me up. And every night I'm
Delicious.
Yung tubig ba kasi pa yan?
Hindi naman nakakain din. Ito kinakain?
Kasi sip-sip lang yan. Pagka natin yung sa gitna, sip-sip lang yan.
Okay. Ito siya kasi sisipsipin dito.
Pagka natin yung sa gitna.
Ano yung 214?
Wait lang.
Tumay lang, 214 yung high reel.